Hi guys, welcome back. So again I am here with a new site where you can earn TRX for absolutely free guys. Okay, so basically this site allows me to mine TRX for absolutely free for myself. I am also mining my free TRX from this site very easily. So today in this video I will let you know that how you can also mine TRX for absolutely free. So first of all guys, I have provided the link of this website in description. Simply check out that and you can also start mining from this website very easily. So here you can see I have 27 TRX in my account. So I will now place a withdrawal in front of you. Okay, so here you can see the minimum withdrawal amount is only 10 Satoshi of TRX and the maximum that in my account is available. Okay, so I will withdraw 27 TRX from this website. I will click on this. I will enter the amount 27 TRX and I will click on this confirm request button. After this guys, you can see the withdrawal request is being processed. You will receive soon it in your wallet. Okay, and you can see I have already withdrawn many amount in my wallet already. So I will open this and I will click on this. Okay, you can see guys that I have 759 TRX now. So I will refresh this page again. Okay, so let me refresh this page here. So yeah, you can see guys, let me scroll down and you can see I have 786 TRX now guys, and I have received 27 TRX from this website very easily and without any investment. Okay, so I will let you know that how you can earn more from this website. You can see my daily profit is 2.21 okay TRX every day, and basically I am earning 5 GH per second as a free plan on this website. And you can see it has been clearly mentioned that no investment is required for this 5 GH plan, and you will receive 0.01 TRX every day for 365 days. So this is the guys free plan where you will get a free TRX for absolutely free. You will get daily 0.01 TRX. And yeah, if you want to earn more from this website, so simply you can choose this plan in which you will get 2% everyday profit for lifetime and 2% daily return, and minimum deposit is only 10 TRX on this website guys, and the amount you can buy is only 100 GH per second. So you can start with 100 GH per second and you will get that 100 GH only for 10 TRX, and you will get instant withdrawal like this. Okay, just click on this speed mining and enter the amount that you want to purchase here. So yeah, let me enter 100. Okay, I will purchase it again. I will click on this buy now button and I will redirect it to my faucet pay. So after that guys, I just have to choose any of the currency I want to pay. I will choose TRX. I will click on this proceed to payment, and after that I just have to click on this complete payment. So you can see it will again redirect to my website, and it has been clearly mentioned your payment was successful. After some confirmation from blockchain, your payment will get processed. So you can see my daily profit is 2.21 TRX. So now I will refresh this page again. Okay, so let me refresh this page again here, and now you can see guys my daily profit is 2.41 TRX. Okay, so I am earning a lot from this site very easily and for absolutely free guys. And the best section is its referral section where you will get 10% profit of deposit amount. Okay, so for example, if your friend deposited 1000 TRX, you will directly get 100 TRX in your account which you can withdraw directly. So yeah, this is the power of this website guys. You can earn huge income from this site very easily. Here you will find a profit calculator. So for example, if you are investing 10 TRX, okay, or if you want to purchase 1000 GH per second, so you have to invest 100 TRX and the profit amount is here. You can just calculate it here and you can start earning for very easily. Okay, or either you can choose the free plan. This is the amount. Okay, this is the profit details as per my current plan. So yeah, this you can see I will earn 879 TRX every year. Okay, and I have invested a minimum amount from which I will earn this much amount. So yeah, I will recommend you to deposit on this site guys, because it is trusted and genuine. So it is a long-term site where you can earn huge income very easily from this website. So yeah, this much for this video guys, and if you enjoyed the video, just press the like button, hit the subscribe button. Now I will see you in the next video.